Hi, I'm Dr. Jyotsna Deepak Patel, practicing obstetrician and gynecologist in Versova Kripa Hospital, Andheri West, Umang Hospital, MIDC, Andheri East since last 25 years. Today, the topic that I have selected to talk on is called ectopic pregnancy. As the name suggests, ectopic, it means not in its place. That means when the pregnancy is not in the uterine cavity and it's located somewhere else. Yes, that's possible. That is called an ectopic pregnancy. Now, ectopic pregnancy most commonly is seen in the tubes, in the fallopian tubes. Of course, there are other sites as well, like it could be on the ovary, it could be in the cervix, it could even be in the abdomen. But the most common site is a tubular ectopic pregnancy. How do you know that you're pregnant and it's not a normal pregnancy, it's an ectopic pregnancy? Well, what you would be having is you have missed your periods, that's one thing. Your urine report is positive for pregnancy, and you are having this vague abdominal pain that is on both the flanks. And this pain is not a normal pain. At times it's excruciating, dull also, dull aching pain as well. And it's on either flank, either on the right side or the left side. And you visit your gynecologist, she examines you clinically, and maybe she suspects ectopic pregnancy and she advises you to undergo a sonography. Mostly it is picked up on a sonography that there is a tubular ectopic pregnancy. You can also have with ectopic pregnancy some vague giddiness or syncopal attacks. Why? Because whenever the pregnancy is not in the uterus and it is outside the uterus, remember that it's a growing tissue, and when it is in a tubular structure, there is limitation for its growth. So it's going to grow to some extent and then it's going to rupture. So when it ruptures, either suddenly or slowly, it is going to give you that severe pain with giddiness or at times even collapse. So that is why I want you to understand that when you hear this word ectopic said by either your gynecologist or it's written on your report, it should ring warning bell. It requires urgent medical attention. Now, how do we treat this tubular ectopic pregnancy? It all depends upon the levels of chemical which is circulating in your blood. That's called serum beta HCG. What is the level of serum beta HCG and what is the size of the mass, size of the tubular pregnancy. Depending on that, we take a call that whether we would be giving you medical line of treatment or we would be giving surgical line of treatment. Now, if there is, if it falls in the category of medical line, there are certain injections that are used, injection methotrexate, which kind of kills the pregnancy and the pregnancy dissolves. But of course, as I said, we need to monitor the chemical beta HCG in your body. That alternate days or every 3-4 days, it has to fall. Even after that, at times we may take a call of doing a surgical intervention. Now, surgical intervention is done when the mass is big, the serum beta HCG levels are high. In that case, we do a laparoscopic removal of ectopic pregnancy. And third case is where the patient has come very late to us, when the pregnancy has already ruptured and the abdomen is full of blood. In that case, it becomes an emergency situation. We immediately do an exploratory laparotomy. That means there's no laparoscopy, there's a cut made on your abdomen. Quickly, the blood is taken under control. And this is how we manage the emergency. So my take-home message in ectopic would be, it requires urgent medical attention. Thank you.